Hello everyone, Viking Piper here, and today is going to be pretty neat because I am doing an unboxing from the Smoky Vale. This video today is going to be sponsored by Smoky Vale because there is one special item in that package he gave me to review. That video will be coming out later on, hopefully on Valentine's Day, but still, it is going to be sponsored by Smoky Vale. Right now, I'm just smoking my Paul Briarworks pipe, and I'm smoking some Casey Jones Last Ride. I normally have it in my pouch. That's where it is now. That's a new pack. But yeah, very good. I've already reviewed Last Ride. I haven't reviewed this pipe yet, but I will be doing this one very soon because if I do a video that's not a review and I'm smoking a pipe, I'm generally smoking this one or my panel pipe. Okay, so I do have one more package to unbox as well. That package is not from Smoky Vale, but just smoking pipes. Anyways, we will open Smoky Vale first. I do have another announcement to make before I get into it. You guys are really going hard on the entries to win the Dwarf's Vein. If you guys haven't entered it, please do. That's going to end tomorrow, Saturday, the 31st of January at 12 o'clock, midnight. So if you haven't entered in to win, please do so. And the announcement from who would win would be on Sunday, February 1st. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and enter into that giveaway. So let's go ahead and get started on the unboxing. This is a heavy box. So I must say, Smokey, you do a wonderful job packaging. So first thing, we got the Brigham 75 pipe cleaners. I got those there. Did not know these were the rough ones, though. I generally like the softer ones, but these are if you really want to deep clean your pipes. Still good, still work, but these have those little hard bristles in them. But every once in a while, you do need to run those through and get out all that build-up gunk and stuff from your pipes. Next thing we got, a nice pipe. A nice little Missouri Meerschaum pipe. I think this is one of the first pipes that Smoky Vale started out on. Just a hardwood pipe. Pretty decent. And the reason why I got this one was because I'm going to make this my truck pipe. So in case when I'm running out the door, always late, I'm always going to have a pipe in my truck. Okay, so I did kind of go a little overboard. It is what it is. I shouldn't have done this, but I did. There's only one thing that Smoky Vale sent me free so I can review on my channel, and I'll show you guys that last. But first thing we're going to go over is the Peterson's Early Morning Pipe. Now, this has been around for a long, long time, and I've never had it. And Smoky Vale's website, he was doing a promotion where you buy any Peterson blend, you get a pack of the pipe cleaners free. So I was running low on pipe cleaners, haven't had this, and I'm like, perfect. We'll just do that. So when Cornell and Deal brought these out, I was very excited. I got the Hoodoo Ridge by Cornell and Deal. All of these are going to be Cornell and Deal. I've got the Lone Sentinel. We did the Watchman's Reach. I really love the artwork on these too. We got the Skyward Gate. We also got Sarto. King Stride. And the Red Hunt. And that's everything in the box except the last thing, which is a Peterson pipe. So Smoky Vale did send this to me, and I'm going to review this on a later video. But yeah, he does have pipes now, guys. So be sure to check them out on smokyvalepipetobacco.com. So we're going to unveil this. Come on. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that polish. This is one of Peterson's spigot pipes. Look at that. Man. Trying to get a good... This pipe is just immaculate. Man. Beautiful, beautiful pipe. I cannot wait to review this pipe. Golly. Smoky Vale, thank you so much. Good on you. Beautiful, beautiful pipe. I will get more in depth on this pipe later when I do review it. It's kind of nice too because they send you a nice little silver polishing cloth for it too, which is great. And the bag on this, it's like a leather bag. He only sent me the bag because he couldn't fit the actual box. But I'm going to order some more stuff, and he was just going to put that box in. Because I always want my Peterson boxes. But I'm going to put that back. Beautiful, beautiful pipe. Like I said, we'll go over it more when I do the review on that. But guys, if you're wanting a Peterson pipe, definitely check out Smoky Vale's website. I'll put right here so you can see it. And he's got some great stuff. He's getting more and more things. Really wonderful. He still has that sale going on too. I think it's 15% off, but it's great. It's a great deal. Definitely go check him out, because I now have a mountain of tobacco. All the tobaccos, I bought that because I like to support him. I was very excited to get that. All right. The next box is just from Smoking Pipes. And I wanted to get this because it's coming up. I wanted to get this for St. Patrick's Day. What a beautiful, beautiful pipe. This is their St. Patrick's Day pipe. I'll go over this more when I do the video on it. Man, 2 Peterson pipes in one day. And I did get a tobacco to go with it, which is Treasures of Ireland, Galway, Black and Bright. I have not tried this tobacco yet, but I'm still very excited to try it. But I will be doing that later as well. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Please go check out Smoky Vale. Give him some love. Let him know that the YTPC is behind him. Even if you just go to check it out. You don't have to buy anything if you don't want to. It's just another option out there. So just coming from doing a YouTube channel into creating your own business, I think is amazing. And I'm going to support him as much as I can. So if you guys would like to do that as well, please do. You don't have to, but it's always nice to support other people. All the small businesses and things. So that's what I'll be doing. Doesn't mean I'm going to stop going to Smoking Pipes or Pipes and Cigars, which I haven't been to Pipes and Cigars in a minute. But anyways, go check them out. Stay updated on the giveaway that I'm doing. And this has been so great that I do have another pipe I'm going to be giving away in the next couple of months. So I think I'm going to tweak some things on the next giveaway, where it might be a little bit shorter. Instead of a whole week, it might be 2 days. So subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed for my next giveaway, so that way you don't miss it. You gotta love that Casey Jones last ride. Anyways, I'm signing off, and I will update you guys on that giveaway here soon. Just want to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And thank you for being kind. May your smoke be thick, your mead be sweet. And as always, happy smoking.